Hi, today I'm going to explain you how to maintain a maintenance-free battery, and I'm going to show you how to fill battery water to it. First, you have to clean this battery top. There's a sticker stick to it. If you when you remove the sticker, you can see this latch. You can remove it through flat screwdriver. Papa, bring flat screwdriver. Right. Be sure to wash your hands after this. Now I'm going to fill the battery water, so what you call also distilled water. Maximum cell capacity is like 30 milliliters. Now I have put only 15. I think it is enough. You can use a cylinder for this also. Make sure not to overfill, otherwise you have to put a rag or something disposable sheet like this to suck it back. Now I'm using the toilet paper to do that thing. Now I'm putting back the cap. Find green color deposit around these terminals, then you have to clean it with petrol. Just simply put the whole thing in a plastic basin and get it clean, because unless you do that way, if you spill on your concrete, the concrete will get deteriorated. Finally, the important part is what you have to apply Vaseline here. You can buy this in a pharmaceutical store or general chemical store. Chemical store price is very low. This will prevent actually accumulation of oxide on battery terminals.